everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? Oh, what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl CM1 Debbie from down a yard. We're not gonna cook today, but special welcome to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the little Jamaican kitchen here. Now, I just feel the need to talk. I don't really talk over here so often. Most of my chatting and my labard, we do it on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. But I just want to come back to say I am so overwhelmed. You know, the comment section with the red pea soup and all of that. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. The comments have been so warming. They have been so welcoming. I want to know easy, someone who not talk about say me not easy. Who do not easy, who not ram to crap me up in the comment section, you know. Dada Chapman, K-Latte, who do not easy at all. And some more when I don't even remember the names, you know what I'm saying? But now I came here in this little video. I want to say to you, I'm not sure if some people misinterpreted why I put in the beetroot. The beetroot wasn't a norm for it. But what the beetroot I did explain, but maybe some people did not hear or they did not, you know, understand. Because you may have to look up the pattern more time with the English. But may have to do it so, you know, because it's a Jamaican thing, so we can't go all English. The beetroot, I use it when the peas does not give the right color. You have some red nice peas. But what is happening nowadays, I don't know if it's a shipment of peas that came down in Jamaica here. I am just not getting the right peas. Then mix the peas them. When you put the peas, if you were noticing part 1 of my video, the peas when I left it to soak overnight, it had this orange color. It's not supposed to give me that orange color, but the peas, them now go on good. Most of the times when I normally put the beetroot is when I use the Jamaican green red peas. The green red peas doesn't give you that red pretty color, so I always use a little beetroot to color it up. So I just draw for my beetroot because I always have my beetroot. And listen to me, the beetroot can go in rice and peas if you not get the good color. The beetroot, I use it to bring up the color of the soup, the rice and peas, the stewed peas. All of them something there when you not get the right peas, because you know some of the peas then when you know some sound like a bad breed. Not true. I don't know. We have been getting a lot of them in Jamaica recently. And Mr. Bad Lucky, me I find them. So I want to clear up that part. I mostly use it when you don't get the right color from the peas. But there are some peas you don't need to use the beetroot. But that is just a little kitchen tip for you. Okay? We all need to share and we all need to care. So I'm so glad you have embraced it. You need it. Now, some people, they're not eating meat. Some people are kind of straying away from meat now for whatever the reason. It doesn't matter. We are still here to care and we are still here to share. So if you would like for me to do for you a meatless red pea soup version, the meatless version, you can enjoy it maybe enough time and drink it. It's nice. You know what I'm saying? If you want me to do that, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll do it for you. I'll show you how you can do it and what you can use to give you a nice little flavor from it without your meat. Now, there are a lot of other soups coming and them are going to come and wrap it because this is the time for it. There are so many soups that I have coming for you. And let me tell you something too. That red pea soup, you can use different type of meat. You can use chicken foot, you can use brown chicken, you can use smoke. It is beautiful with the smoked turkey neck or the smoked turkey wing. Try it. It's beautiful. You can use corn pork, you can use salt beef. But as I said before, authentically, you have to put piece of salt meat in it. A piece of pickled meat has to go in there with the green coconut juice. Those are the two things that makes it authentic, original, old-time salt meat and the green coconut juice. But there are so many ways. So what I'm going to do a meatless version, and I'm also going to do the easier version. Come in, say, and everybody I got a take to that version. Like I'm going to tell you something. Red pea soup is not easy to look about, you know. It takes a lot of time if you want it good. So I'm going to show you how you can come in from work and get your little red pea soup cooked up. But let me tell you something about red pea soup. Red pea soup is a soup that you must eat early in the day. It takes a whole lot of time. It is very heavy on your stomach. It takes a long time to digest. Now to the people that has that sort of, the sort of gassiness with it, what you can do is when you soak it, remove the red part. That red part there, that is the part that makes you gassy. Remove the red part from it after you soak it and cook it now with some, or when it's properly cooked, you put the beetroot juice to it to get the red flavor. Those people with the gassiness, yes, it makes you gassy sometimes. Extra gassy, lots of flatulence as you're passing out, or it have you passing out. So if you always have problem with it, when you soak it, just remove the red part. That is the part that makes you gassy. And then when you cook it, just cook it on its own, the beans on its own. When it's cooked, you add your beetroot juice to give you the color where the red part never give you. That is when you get the, the bad one, them are, even if it's not the bad one. Okay, so I've been in the comment section and I've been looking over it and all of that, and your comments are so welcoming and they're so warming, and I just want to take the little time out to come and to just make this small video for you and to say thank you so much. Where would we be on West Indian Delights without you all? Love you, love you, love you. I love you, we love you, we appreciate you so much. That is where we can hook up in the comment section. Leave everything principled and decent. I will reply. If I don't reply via typing, I'll reply via a video. So I'm going to be doing the meatless version, and I'm going to be doing a more simplified version for you, how you can go about it and get it done. Keep your notifications on. Lots and lots of soup to come. This is fall. You're gonna need it. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless. No stress.